Welcome back, everybody. So we are down to the last car, and I'm just gonna go ahead and say the race will be posted on Friday. I will record it Thursday night while my family's sleeping, because that's the only time I can do it now. So the race is happening this week. If this car is not picked, if someone doesn't pick this car by Friday, it will be used by my son. So he will be in the race if no one picks it. So that's that. The way that it's gonna work is that two cars, I'll put them all in like in a box, pick two at random, and match everyone up. So we'll go at twos. And the way you win is if you win two races in a row. And we're gonna do lane swaps. So we'll start in 2 and 4, use lane 2 and 5. And then we'll do a race. Then we'll switch the cars. If that car that won the first race wins the second race, that's how you're gonna win. It's just to keep it fair in case there's a faster lane. So that's how that's gonna work, and that will be posted on Friday. So I look forward to doing that. It's gonna take a while to set up because I'm very flashy on that. And what I'm gonna open today is some select football requested. So let's see, I'm hoping, I paid 20 bucks for this. I'm hoping, I think I can resell it for over $100. So our goal is to pull at least $100 worth of cards. So let's see if we can do that. Lately I've had terrible luck with these. With all of the select that I've opened, I haven't really got a real banger or anything. So we'll see what we can get today. And if you have any questions about this race, feel free to comment and I will answer any question that you have. Alright, oh my god, look at this. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs. I would love to pull an auto. That would be awesome. So, let's shuffle this up actually. Do a little shufflage. And let's see what we can get. Alright, first pack we have this guy. Not even gonna try to butcher the last name. Ooh, who is this? Is this Tua? Is that oh, it's a silver. Oh my goodness. A silver Tua right off the bat. Silver prism. Oh, hoo, 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 hoo. Banger. That's a banger. Mike. And Patrick Mahomes. Okay. So the Tua, this prism, it is club level. I'm not sure if this is the really expensive one, because my buddy actually got one. I don't know what level it was, but he just sold one of these. I don't know if it's this exact one, but I think he sold it for like $275. So that is just awesome. Just right out the gate. Okay. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I don't even care what I get now. Or at least I hope that's the right one. Alright. Can this box get any better? Kirk Cousins. Anthony McFarland Jr. Put him there. Put a rookie pile. Randy Moss. Unbreakable. And Joe Montana. Have a little insert pile. Huh. That's cool. Right there. Shoot. This is just great. Alright, who do we got? Jonathan Taylor. Matthew Stafford. Rookie base. We have a die cut. Anthony McFarland Jr. Checkered. Put him over there. And who's that? Derek Carr. Cool. Raiders. Alright. Next pack. Brandon Chubb. At least I'm hoping that's right. Ooh, what do we have here? Some orange. Ravens. Ray Lewis. Ooh, is that a... Ooh. That's pretty. Behind that is... but I want to look. I think this is Tiger Stripe, maybe? I'm not sure, but I like it. I like that. Who do we got? Chase Young, turbocharged, and CJ Henderson. All right. Inserts. We got 2 packs left. Alright, there's that TJ Watt. Okay. Who do we have here? Rodrigo. Blankenship. Zach Moss. And another Rodrigo. Alright, we are on our last pack. Who can we get from this? Marlon Davidson? Rams, Cam Akers, rookie. Ooh, a select card. Is it a rookie? Who's that? Detroit Lions. I'll check the back here in a minute. Is that T. Higgins? I like these. These are pretty. Running back. DeAndre Swift, I believe. Alright. That's cool. Put them here. So, that is just a banger. Let's look at the back. Tua, quarterback club level prism. Wow. Alright. Well, that will do it. I'm actually recording this. Today is, right now it's Monday. So I'm posting this Wednesday, of course. I'm pre-recording it just because I actually really just wanted to open some Select. So, and then with the car, like I said, it's pre-recorded, so if someone picks it, then don't worry about that. But the race will be posted Friday. I'll do it Thursday night. And good luck. I will see y'all Friday. Oh no!